Hi everyone! So today we're going to clean house. It's the weekend. Ayan, so unahin natin yung kids room. Ganyan kagulo. Ayan, normally pag may pasok, sila nag-aayos ng room nila. Bale, ginagawa ko, nagwawalis na lang ako. But this time, since it's the weekend, commit yourself into doing it all the time, then that becomes a habit. Kaya nga, as mentioned earlier, parang some of us are on autopilot. Yung tipong pagising mo, alam mo na agad kung anong gagawin mo. So, no matter if you're single, you're a couple with kids, or you're a couple with pets, or if you have extended family. So, we need to make sure that we take our part in cleaning home. So, if your home is at a state that really lacks cleaning, yung madumi, magulo, cluttered siya, yung pag everywhere you look at is maraming nakatambak na kung ano-ano, then you would need to schedule your cleaning day. So, sabihin natin, you find time 1 or 2 days to clean your home, talagang overall cleaning. And then, once na-achieve mo na yon, then you keep it that way. So, you start with decluttering. Ibig sabihin nun is yung mga bagay sa bahay mo na hindi mo ginagamit or wala nang purpose o hindi na, it's no longer of any use. You have to let it go. Either i-donate mo or you just throw it away. Okay, so sa part na to, yung mga malalaking furnitures like bed, sofa, yung gas range, ref, dining table, yan yung mga kailangan nating linisin yung ilalim kasi diyan accumulate lahat ng alikabok. At tapos hard to reach areas pa siya. So, let's schedule it for like once or twice a week, ganun. Yung ilalim ng bed, it should be every day kasi syempre tinutulugan yan and then overnight baka magkaroon ka na ng sipon or ubo, yung mga allergens or pollutants. So, dapat yung mga ilalim ng kama, basta yun sa rooms, dapat everyday yan. Yan. So, yung hagdan, pagkatapos ko maglinis sa taas, yung hagdan, winawalis ko rin. Kasi, pag hindi, babalik lang din yung dumi sa taas. Kasi, apakapakan nila yan. Tapos, aakyat sa kwarto. So, dala-dala ng paa nila yung dumi. So, now we've moved on to the kitchen. And this needs to be clean every day. Kasi yan yung isa sa mga high traffic areas. Ibig sabihin, dyan lagi nagluluto, dyan lagi dyan kumakain. Yan. So, kailangan yan malinis natin kasi to avoid yung pests like rats, ipis, from entering your home. Kasi yung kitchen, gaya ng mga mumu, yung mga hulog-hulog na pagkain, kanin, ganyan, yun ang nag-a-attract ng mga pests like ipis, daga, ganyan. So, pag hindi natin nilinis, well, dyan magbe-breed yan. So, hindi na ito yung basta alikabok lang or cluttered, no way. Ito na yung germs, bacteria that we need to avoid. So, aside from yung pagwawalis at saka yung pagpupunas, we need to use yung mga surface cleaners, disinfectant, ganyan. So, regardless kung anong gusto nyong gamitin na pang-disinfect, okay yan. So, tingnan natin yung mga kitchen natin and dining areas kung mayroong mang namumuong molds dyan or mga lumot, ganyan, or may mga kanin na hindi nalinisan na area. So, yan, kailangan natin linisin yan. So, after ko mag-wash ng dishes, glasses, and all, kailangan kong linisin yung lababo. Okay, para yung mga tumalsik-talsik na mga tira-tirang pagkain or sabon, malinisan. Para hindi namumuo yung mga molds. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!